Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On this channel I do unboxings, so I've got some fitness boxes, some tea boxes, like today we're going to be doing the tea Sparrow, and I've also got some wellness and self-help boxes coming, so if you're interested in that, then make sure to subscribe and hit the like so I know that you guys are liking these videos, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post. But today I'm going to be doing the Tea Sparrow. Now this is April's box for Tea Sparrow, and I'm just going to tell you a little bit about this before I get into it. Now I did go ahead and order this one and the Amoda tea, I think it was. They're both loose leaf teas from what I can tell, and they're both Canadian based, which is super awesome because it's really hard to find good quality Canadian based subscription boxes. So if you guys have any suggestions, mostly for tea boxes from the US, I would love to give them a try, so let me know down in the comments below. But I was super excited to see this one and the Amoda one from Canada. So if you want to see a comparison of the two when I get the Amoda one, just let me know and I can do that. Now this tea box, from what I can tell, is all loose leaf tea. And it comes with, I think, 4 packets of it. Now, this tea box is pretty unique because you actually have a few different options to choose from. So they offer just loose leaf tea options, but they also offer a tea bag option. So in the tea bag option, you get 18 different little tea bags, but it comes in 3 different bags. So you get a variety of caffeinated and herbal teas. And then if you're looking for more loose leaf tea, they have the original option and the herbal option. Now, in the original option, you get 4 bags of tea, so you'll get a black, a rooibos, a green, and a herbal tea. And then they also have a herbal tea option, which I got, so you'll get 4 bags of just loose leaf herbal tea. And I have to be pretty careful with the amount of caffeine that I intake. Now, all of the different options that they have will cost you $22 Canadian a month. Now, that included shipping and tax and everything for me. So $22 for 4 bags of loose leaf tea doesn't seem like a really bad deal at all to me. But let's just get right into the box and see what we have this month. Okay, so when I first get this opened, it does have some information there on the top of it, and I guess that's just some brewing instructions, depending what types of different tea that you get. And I really like that they put that on the packaging so you could cut that out if you wanted, or if you know what to do, then you can just leave it. And then it looks like they just give some information on all of the teas available for the month, but it just says happy sipping and tea partying with love from Tea Sparrow family. So that's kind of cute. So we do get 4 decently sized bags of tea. So I'm just going to go through them all and show you what I have. So this is the Pinot Noir. This is crimson hued blend of blueberries, lemongrass, rooibos. Is a full, delicious surprise with every sip. So fruity, earthy, and satisfying. You'll almost convince yourself you're drinking the real thing. And the ingredients include hibiscus, rose hips, black currant fruit, cranberries, blueberry, elderberry, lemongrass, rooibos, and it is organic. That sounds so good. I love hibiscus. That's one of my favorite ingredients to be in teas. So that's pretty cool. And let me see if I can open it up and show you guys what they look like. Okay. Oh man, that just smells, oh my gosh, that just smells so fruity and juicy. It smells delicious. So I don't know if you guys can see that in there. I'm trying to angle it. I don't want it to all come out. It's so dark in here. Let me see if I can get some to the front. So that's what it looks like there. It just smells so good. If you've never tried a hibiscus tea, I super suggest it. They're so delicious. So this was the Pinot Noir. Then we've got this cardamom vanilla rooibos, and this is sharpen that pencil behind your ear, put the kettle on. The tea ticks all the boxes. It is spicy, sweet, creamy, and good for you. And it is ready to hang out in your teapot, but not for too long. So the ingredients are rooibos, cardamom pieces, cinnamon pieces, cardamom pods, peppercorns, cloves, natural vanilla extract. So that sounds delicious as well too. And this is a rooibos tea. I've not had a lot of rooibos teas, but let's get into this one and see what it smells like and what it looks like. So this says it has some vanilla in it too. So it's a cardamom vanilla rooibos, but it's spicy, sweet, and creamy. So Oh, oh, okay. Oh, I'm getting that spicy and that sweetness from it. It's like, it reminds me of some kind of like spice from my mom baking, like maybe pies or something. Oh, it smells really good actually. So let me see if I can get some to the front here so you can see it. So there's a big piece. That must be the cardamom, I'm wondering. And then there's like some other little pieces in there. But oh my gosh. It's got like a, you can smell, I can definitely smell the cinnamon in there and some other little spices, but it reminds me of like something being baked. So I think I'm really going to enjoy this one as well. Oh, speaking of baking, then we have apple pie. Apple pie, anyone. This tea is next level, like your aunt's apple pie recipe. With that one secret, hard to identify ingredient. This tea blends rooibos with apple pieces, marzipan, and rose blossoms for a completely unexpected, decadently comforting cup. And the ingredients are rooibos, apple bits, currants, cinnamon, marzipan bits, rose blossoms, and natural apple flavoring. So that's it there. Let's get into this one as well. Speaking of pies, so I guess the theme for this month is maybe like on the sweet side, although the rosehip one, the hibiscus one, I guess that's still sweet because it's got some fruits in it. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so like apple pie crust, kind of like, you know, when you get to the bottom of the apple pie and it's just like that juicy crust on the bottom, this is exactly what that smells like. Oh my gosh, you guys. So that's what that looks like. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. And then last but not least is this one. The name of it's kind of scratched off a little bit, but it looks like maybe a buddy rooibos or budding rooibos. But it says, don't be fooled. This name is not a cheap shot at easy alliteration. Buddha bamboo is actually an evergreen bamboo variety known for its bulging internodes resembling the fat belly of the Buddha. Now go fill that belly of yours with this delicious, earthy, fruity, good for you herbal tea. And the ingredients include bamboo leaves, pineapple bits, lemongrass, black currant leaves, natural currant flavor, marigold blossoms, mallow blossoms, currants, and strawberry slices. So that one sounds delicious as well. Let's get into this one too. I'm gonna have so much tea to drink this month. This one is packed full. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys before I even smell it because it is super packed full. Like that is crazy. And you can see all the little bits of like bamboo. That must be the bamboo leaves. Okay. Oh, this is really neat. This smells like I can get that lemongrass. It smells like grassy to me, but not super strong. It's very like there's a hint of earthy, a hint of grassy, a little bit of lemony in there, but it smells like it's very refreshing. It's almost like after like a fresh spring rain and you go out and you can smell like some sweetness from the flowers and the different plants and stuff, but you still get that like, you know that it rained, like you can kind of smell like that. It's, I don't know, this is maybe too deep, a little too deep, but that's what it reminds me of. That is so cool. So I'm super excited to try this one too. So that was our 4 bags of tea this month. Now, each of them do say that you can take 1 tablespoon per 10 to 12 ounces of boiling water and steep it for about 5 to 6 minutes. So these are definitely going to last you the month, I would say. And I think on their site, it does say that you get about 30 cups worth of tea every month. So you literally get a cup of tea every day for the month. So this box to me is well worth it. And depending how the Emoda one is, I will definitely be keeping one of them because I love tea. I drink a lot of tea, especially in the evening time. Sit down with a nice cup of tea after supper. It's perfect. So I'm really excited to get the Emoto box now and see how that one compares to this one. And then I'm hoping that I'll like one more over the other, and then I can choose just one. But make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll see that video come out. And if you did like this, then please give a like to the video, and I will see you guys in the next one.